The Phoenix, Part 8 of 13 on Between Master and Disciples, given in English on March 26, 2021.
Yes.
Again, related to that lecture mentioned, Master said that sometimes planetary meetings happen to find a way to get rid of the galactic controlling system. But since Master asked the goddess from beyond Ihôs Kư to destroy this mechanism, are there still any planetary meetings going on for some other purposes, maybe?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes,
wow.
they do. Also, sometimes they come and listen to our conference or TV. Yes. They call that also planetary meeting, no? Interplanetary meeting. Yeah, from different corners of the universe, no? Yes.
Wow.
If you have a good eye, you can see it.
Oh.
Many of our people see them every time when in New Land, remember?
Yes.
When I do lecture or retreat or meditate, or they all come around, hanging in there, listen to every word.
Wow.
Yeah. Many of our disciples are very powerful. I mean, some know it, some don't know.
Yes, Master.
Like wherever they go, or the Buddha, Bodhisattva also come and support them. Yeah, help them to bless that area. And even some Lama, Tibetan Lama, they saw them. And they very much respected them. They came after them and found them and talked to them and this and that.
Yes, Master.
You can only blind some blind people, but not all people are blind, okay?
Right.
Like the lamas or other practitioners in different fields, they can see who is who, yeah? They can see your aura, they can see whom you brought, the devils or the saints or the angels. That's the thing. So even normal people, they can see President Trump had 4 or 5 angels, and I told you that before I even knew it.
Yes, Master.
Before you told me that, I already told you. Remember?
Yes.
For example, so it's not because I'm master, but even ordinary people, they can see something. You cannot cheat them all the time. You cannot cheat all the people.
Yes, Master.
That's why when Buddha was alive, many people followed him and were faithful to him because they knew, they saw, they experienced it. And many of my disciples, they are faithful to me and believe in me because they saw, they knew, they heard, they experienced inside and outside. You got that?
Yes, Master.
Recently, we read that some of the Mongolian disciples went to the mountain where Genghis Khan was born.
Yes.
Yeah. And all the guardians there, invisible to other naked eyes, of course. But when they meditate, they go in there, they can see them, come out greeting them and happy to see them.
Wow.
Because they brought light with them. They brought Master blessing and love with them. But they have to be a good vessel to be able to do that.
Yes, Master.
The purer, the more you believe in Master, the more you become one with the Master power. And the Master power is the whole universal power, ready for anyone to use. You be one with the Master, then you be one with the universe, with all the power at your disposal. Do you capiche or not?
Capiche, Master.
Yes. So you are the only one who could hinder yourself from dispensing all this incredible power, okay, to help yourself and to help others. If you believe in the Master and practice well, you become like one with the Master. And then whatever the Master can do, you can also do to some extent. That's why Jesus said, whatever I do, you can do. Or you could do even better. Remember that?
Yes, Master.
Yeah. Not better, but maybe because there are more people and they go into different corners, they can do more things than Jesus in one place.
Yes.
But Jesus was humble also. He encouraged his disciples. But it could be like that too, because you can reach farther, yeah? You can have more people with affinity with you, huh? And help them by the Master power, because you become one with the Master. Yes?
Yes, Master.
If you are humble enough to be a pure vessel, then the master power can flow to you. Then you can help whomever that has affinity with you, or that the master needs you to help them because you were there. You see?
Yes.
In this physical world, we need a physical instrument. The master power also needs the disciples to bless the world, to do things, to help the world. Like I need you to work for Supreme Master Television, yeah?
Yes, Master.
You and all of you who works for Supreme Master Television, not just you, yeah? Not just you.
Understand, Master.
When I'm talking to you, I'm not just talking to you, huh?
Yes, Master.
I'm talking to the whole group of disciples and the world at large, yes?
Yes.
And heaven's beings also. They're listening and watching,
Wow.
yes. So you are just like a what? A tool?
Yes, Master.
Instruments, yeah, but good ones. I'm glad you are good ones.
Thank you, Master.
Is that your question answered?
Yes, Master, thank you.
Okay. What else?
In a previous conference, Master mentioned that when beings from lower levels go to the original universe, then Pusu language comes into use until they get used to the vibrational frequency.
Yeah.
Does this mean that some beings are permanently uplifted to OU, or are they allowed only to visit?
Some are uplifted, of course. I told you before long ago, huh? Good ones can go there, live permanently also. Or they stop somewhere else first, get purified,
Yes.
and then come up. But not all can come up, of course. But they're liberated at least, okay? To go to the 4th level, you liberated forever already. You never born, die, or destroy, or anything again, okay? Never go to any trouble anymore of birth and death, or going back to the illusionary lower level frequency of worlds.
Yes, Master.
But many are going up, even, my God. Anyone who helped me a little bit before I became master, or up to now, yeah? During the time that I became officially master, they all went up there.
Wow.
Wow.
Yeah. My deceased birds and dogs, they all went up. Yes. And people helped me just a little bit with all their love, yeah? Love and compassion, they all went up.
Wow.
Even if they did not eat vegan at that time. Yeah, all went up. Gradually or quickly. Depends, yeah?
Yes.
Depends on how much garbage they have to shed before they go up. Everyone that has known me in some favorable way, none of them are neglected. All of them gone up to the new rim.
Thank you, Master.
Jimkutu new rim. Yes. Yeah, even all the presidents that give me recognition and all that,
Wow.
they are up. Yes. Yes. Because they have respect for me in their capacity, in their position. Yes.
Yes, Master.
As much as they can.
Yes.
Just like a billionaire gives you $1,000 compared to a poor person who gives you a meal when you're hungry. It's more over.
Yes, Master.
Hey, billionaire gives 1,000 is nothing, right?
Yes.
But when you're hungry and a poor person, a normal, just, day-to-day earn a living and gives you a meal, that's big. Huh?
Yes.
Like in the temple, many people come and give offerings, donations to the temple. But one woman, she gave only 1 penny she earned that day for the oil lamp, huh? And Jesus said, she gave the biggest. Remember that?
Yes.
Yes. When the Buddha was alive, the 2 beggars, they have no more clothes, just have only one tattered blanket to take turn to go out begging, yeah? But they offer it to the Buddha. And the Buddha took it immediately and was very touched.
Yes, Master.
Yeah, he could have all kinds of robes from the royalty, any kings or his own father, king, etc.
Yes.
Why he hugged that tattered beggar, smelly rag and felt so touched like that.
Yes,
Yes,
Master.
Master.
Yeah, it's the inside, in people's heart. Yeah, okay?
Yeah.
People's heart, sincerity and purity, that counts. But why I'm talking about that? What are you asking?
About the OU, people going up to the OU.
No, not OU. They can come up to visit. Only the original people from OU go back to OU. But you have the one next to OU.
Yes.
Yes,
Oh,
Master.
I got this. You got me tricked here. Yeah. I thought we were talking about new land, and then you jump in with OU. No, not OU, eh? You don't need to go to OU, okay?
Okay.
But people from neighboring planets, they always come in and out, yeah? And so Pusu language is for them to communicate with the native OU, huh?
Yeah, okay.
Otherwise, they could not understand a thing. They have to go through Yakashir, remember? The gate, and purify, and then go inside and visit. But they don't have to stay in OU. Staying in Simkutu New Land is already top.
Yes.
No, you can visit only, but you cannot stay. What for anyway? You live next door to it. What for you have to go to beyond that or beyond OU even to do what? My God, if you jump up from the fifth floor and then you're going to go to the state building to do what and staying there up there all day do what?
Yes.
The skyscraper is for some people who have something to do there. Just because it's the tallest in the United States doesn't mean you have to go there to prove that you are, you know what, a top guy, top dog or something. The queen, she stay in her palace, okay? You can be married to one of her sons, but you don't have to stay in the palace and have the same status as the queen, even though the queen is supposed to be equal with all her citizens.
Yes, Master.
As a human standard. Yeah? But you don't have to stay in the palace with her or go into her bedroom just because you're equal with her. To do what? Capiche or no?
Yes, Master.
There's a limit to your greed, eh? Even spiritual greed. What for? What are you doing there? People's house, okay? Or you want to be stuck at the border, make a crisis like in America and Mexico right now?
No, Master.
Yes. I have said that migrants are very good and refugees are good. But if you really need to go, otherwise your country is the best for you. God place you there, you stay there. Yeah?
Yes.
Money or good job aren't everything. Okay? You just organize your life. Yeah, to live within your means. That's the best. Most peaceful. Yes?
Yes.